Ngikubingelele-ke mlaleli, ngiphinde kwamukele kwezinohlonze trending news ezingena manje-ke zithi kuyamshubela u-Ayanda Tamara Mzimela ona 25 years osezakhela udumo ngey'nkulumo ey'gxeka abanye abantu besifazane ku-TikTok. Ngaphandle-ke kokuthi sekukhona asebebuya namahlazo akhe akudala njengoba sekusabalala amavidiyo akhe efequza embhedeni enendoda endala neyiPakistani okuthiwa uTamara unengane nayo. Sekunababhalela inkampani angunogada kuyo ngenhloso yokumxoshisa. Kwenzeka lokhu nje sekunamajongo asebenikele ngezimbulo zemali kuyo ngenhloso yokumthengela imoto eyipholo. Useyagadwa futhi kanti-ke usethengelwe nomacekeceke wefoni ebiza u-36,000. Labantu besifazane-ke abamxoshisayo uTamara bathi sebekhathele uyena manje ebukisa ngabo enkundleni zokuxhumana. Eyokuqala-ke i-email le abade beyibhalele emsebenzini kaTamara ifundeka kanje: Dear TRSS Security Management, I am writing to bring to your attention a matter of concern regarding one of your employees, Ayanda Mzimela, also known as Tamara on social media. While representing your company, she has been sharing content on TikTok that is harassing and embarrassing towards women. Specifically, her comments about women's value being tied to their marital status and parental status have caused offense and distress to many women, including some who may be associated with your company. As her employer, I believe it is essential for you to address this behavior as it reflects poorly on your organization. I urge you to take immediate action to discipline Ms. Mzimela and ensure that she understands the impact of her words. Failure to do so may damage your company's reputation, particularly among female clients and partners. I intend to write an article about this issue, highlighting the importance of promoting respect and inclusivity in the workplace. I hope that you will take this matter seriously and take prompt action to address this. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Maningi ama-emails abantu besifazane ababhalile inkampani yakhe uTamara. Enye-ke bese ngihlangana nayo ifundeka kanje: Dear TRSS Security Management, I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out with a heavy heart, deeply troubled by the social media activity of one of your employees, Ayanda Mzimela, also known as Tamara on TikTok. As someone who values respect and inclusivity, I was disheartened to come across content in which she publicly makes disparaging remarks about women, suggesting that their worth is tied to marriage and motherhood. Her statements have not only been deeply offensive but also damaging, particularly to women who are already facing societal pressures and personal struggles. Seeing such content from someone associated with your organization makes me question whether these views align with the values of TRSS Security. I trust that as a company, you take matters of discrimination and public representation seriously. I urge you to address this issue with Ms. Mzimela and ensure she understands the impact of her words. I'm considering writing an article about this matter, highlighting the need for more compassion and accountability in professional spaces. However, I truly hope that TRSS Security will take proactive steps to handle this internally and reaffirm its commitment to respect and inclusivity. Thank you for your time and consideration. I appreciate your attention to this matter and look forward to your response. Ngabe-ke wena mlaleli uthini umbono wakho ngesenzo esenziwa abantu ukuthi bezoyibhalele inkampani yakhe-ke uTamara ukuze exoshwe emsebenzini ngokuthi bethubukela phansi abantu besifazane?